Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crazy Foursome. Today I'm going to be taking on a new challenge, growing plants hydroponically. Hydroponic gardening is a method of growing plants without soil and using nutrient-rich water instead. I've been doing it for a couple of weeks, but I'm really excited to challenge myself and see what I can do. So for this, what I'm trying to do is become more sustainable. I'm challenging myself. So currently I am growing lettuces, and I've set up my hydroponic system. It's got all its nutrients in, and we have the plants being grown here. So you can see the little seeds as they grow, starting in my warm area, then they come across to the hydroponic system. However, you could just start a seed and do this slightly differently, but I'll cover that in another video. My lettuce is growing amazingly, as are my cucumbers. My peppers, capsicums are starting to come through. Nice leaves that are very healthy, and at this time of the year, very hard to grow outside, so that's a bonus. Overall, growing hydroponically, I'm loving it. It's such a great way to grow food. It's so interesting to see the stages of the vegetables growing from seed to plant, and then hopefully into some amazing food. If you're interested in hydroponic gardening, I encourage you to give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So there you go, guys.